Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to check open port of any website with the help of PowerShell. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your search menu on your Windows computer, and after that type over there PowerShell. After that click on Windows PowerShell app. After open PowerShell, you have to put some command over there, so I will give you the command to my video description. So the command is called tnc space your website name, like in this case I will check for google.com, and after that you have to put space and then minus port and space, then your port number which you want to check. So suppose I want to check port 80 is up or not, so I will put over there 80, port 80. And after that press enter, and after that it will take a few seconds. So as you can see, it's showing like TCP test succeed true. That's mean this port is open. Okay, so I will try out another port like 90. So let's see this port is up or not. So as you can see, TCP connect to this IP port 90 failed, and also TCP test succeed false. That means this port is not enabled, means up. Okay, so I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.